The machine learning technology in PostAc filters millions of job advertisements to find those which ask for people with high-level research skills. These jobs are not live, so you can't apply for them, but you can use them to learn what jobs are available for people with your skills and how to find them. We built PostAc because most academic disciplines don't translate that well into jobs. Let's take astrophysics as an example. Australia doesn't have a big space industry. So where are the jobs outside academia? Let's take a look by typing in astrophysics and hitting search. PostAc returned 10 jobs. Most of them are in non-university research organisations like CSIRO, but the last one looks like it's in a bank. Let's click on it and see. You're now looking at what we call the job card. It contains the job ad text and a list of key skills at the top. Just one job can act as a starting point to find many others. Our search engine uses natural language processing to find jobs that look similar. Either click on one of the similar jobs listed on the right, or use the More Job Ads like this button to see a list. All these jobs were required skills developed by studying astrophysics. You can browse through them to see a range of job opportunities in that sector. Or you can find more entry-level jobs by adjusting the nerdiness level. The number out of 10 in the box on the right of the job is the nerdiness level assigned by our algorithm. Our algorithm assesses the job on 9 criteria to decide how many research skills are required. Jobs closer to 10 usually require more experience. Jobs near a 7 will be suitable for graduates with no experience in that industry. To adjust the nerdiness level down, select Medium and then hit Refine. Now you have a list of entry-level jobs to explore. Take note of the kind of job titles you find. These are the ones to look for when you graduate. Or if you're ready to start your job hunt now, use these kinds of job titles in a live search engine like seek.com. So that's a simple search on PostAc. The next video will show you how to do a more complicated search that broadens your horizons and helps you find even more kinds of jobs that you can do.